CES 2018 at the booth of the Open Connectivity Foundation, and I'm talking with Graham Martin of the EnOcean Alliance. Graham, you've got quite a strong presence on this booth with Open Connectivity Foundation. Can you tell us what it is that you're showing? Talk us through the liaison with OCF, and I believe we've then got a demo to look at.
Yes, Vince, thank you. Yeah, so welcome to the Open Connectivity Foundation booth at the CES 2018. The OCF is driving a worldwide standard for the IoT. In clear text, that means that in a smart home, you want every device to be connected and easily connected with each other. And today we have multiple island solutions and not everything is working together. So the OCF is working towards having one common language for the IoT, independent of the transport layer involved. So it could be EnOcean, it could be Zigbee, it could be Bluetooth, it could be Wi-Fi.
Right.
So that when the consumer adds a product to his home, he has no problem connecting it. It's all connected via IoTivity, and it can easily join the network, and you can create scenes according to the requirements. The EnOcean Alliance has supported this from day one. We see this as absolutely essential in the IoT and smart home market, that the consumer has plug and play and doesn't have to worry about which technology, which standard he's dealing with. We have a number of products here showing in this demo. At the booth here today we have 11 different companies showing interoperable products. We have fridges, televisions, ovens, air conditioning, all working together, all listening to the signals from our sensors and from other companies. And there are 25 devices in this network, and it's working perfectly, and the perfect example of the multi-technology, multi-vendor interoperability that the smart home requires.
Well, I remember us talking together on the Open Connectivity Foundation booth last year, so you seem to have been building this relationship with the organisation and generating quite an ecosystem between yourselves and the various companies that are participating.
Absolutely. The OCF has grown to over 400 member companies. They've released a new specification. They've released a certification program. The first certified product is behind me. We'll see it in a minute.
Yep.
So the snowball is starting to roll, and more companies are joining. And it's big name companies like Intel, like Samsung, like Haier, like Electrolux. So there's a lot of momentum behind this standard, and we believe that this will be a key player in smart home and IoT interoperability.
Okay, well let's have a look at the ways that EnOcean's enabling this through the relationship with OCF.
Yeah, absolutely. So what we have here, Vince, is the first OCF certified product on the market. This will be released next month. And what you see here is this acts as the central unit in your house. You see the status of all of your products, and you can control your products. So for example, if I want to change the temperature in the kitchen, I just touch it here. I change the temperature, and within a few seconds, that information is transferred to the thermostat in the kitchen, and the temperature is adjusted accordingly.
Very convenient, yes.
Or if I want to switch off the air conditioner in the living room, for example, I just need to press here, and the air conditioning is then switched off. What I can also do is, for example, if little Johnny, a 10-year-old boy, gets into my alcohol cabinet, I get an alarm. So here shows the cabinet, he's got into my booze cabinet. Yeah, so I get an alarm and I can react. Or if I have a water leak, so I have water leak sensors here, with, as in all EnOcean products, no batteries, no wires. If I have a water leak, again here, I get a signal saying, you have a water leak, you better react. Or if I'm standing in the kitchen cooking, and somebody opens the living room window or my bedroom window, again, here, I get an alarm. And the great thing about the OCF is this all talks the same language, and you can create the scenes accordingly. What do I do if somebody rings the doorbell? Do I start flashing lamps? Do I turn the volume on the television down? What happens when little Johnny opens my alcohol cabinet? And all of these things. And it's all very comfortable and all in one app. It's using 5 different core technologies. We have EnOcean, we have Zigbee, we have Bluetooth, we have Wi-Fi, and we have proprietary. So it's a great demonstration of what can be done and what is being done. And as I said, this is the first product which will hit the market next month, and we're very excited about it.
Can you see this collaboration between EnOcean and OCF continuing to grow through 2018?
Absolutely. And not just EnOcean and OCF, we see many large players joining the OCF, joining the collaboration. And I think next year when we're here, this demo will be much bigger and we will see many more products. And we see the IoT becoming reality.
IoT a reality. I'll drink to that. Thanks very much, Graham.
Thank you, Vince.